Oh, nej. I was excited because it's so warm, but then I saw people coming back to the station. Oh, they probably sunk the boat. I really hope this is a good ride. If this is just up and down, I don't think so.
I do, or I hope so. I don't know. I really don't know.
I have handles here though. Hold on. Here. Hör du det? På ryggstödet.
Hör du det?
Ja. Nej, det var fan.
Tänk att vi sitter på det här nu. Andra gånger på den här resan.
I'm so sad. I don't know what to say. I'm so afraid it's gonna be really, really bad also. I don't think so. No, really, I don't.
No, I know. I'm just kidding. I think it's cold and it's gonna splash a lot. I saw it before you go through with the waterfall.
Nej.
No,
Oh my god. Sarah is scaring me so hard. I would never do this to you with coasters, you know that, right? No, I wouldn't. I never did. I think this is it. I think it's just this down splash ready. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Oh, it's two splashes. No. I need to change my clothes. I'm not even kidding. Whose idea was this? It's warm. Oh my god, no. Okay, instead of being super warm, I'm going to be super cold. It's either. Okay, it's pretty, but that was nah. Oh, there's a roller coaster in here, I just realized. Do you see? That was the first drop.
Yeah, and it was a small one, and I got soaking wet.
Oh, I'm so wet.
Oh.
It's just insane.
Can we go back?
Oh no, why did we do this?
To warm up to the next one.
To warm up to the water coaster.
Yes.
But I don't want to do more water. Oh no. The thing is, I'm never gonna dry.
You gotta do that in a second.
No, I'm not gonna dry. That's the problem. And now the drop is gonna be cold. Vix, you think I'm joking? I am for real. Hi. No. No. No! 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 Okay, so the second drop is better than the first one. Oh, the first one is the killer drop. If it's not someone standing with a hose just spraying me down here now.
This was nice. Let's do it again.
No! Not a chance we're doing that again. That is so unfair.
Oh. Lovely.
I have one pair of shorts with me. Oh my god.